What are antioxidants? I'm Mark Lorenzato, MD, presenting for healthvideoguide.com. Combustion or oxidation is at the center of life. The reverse of photosynthesis, the process of making carbon-rich molecules from sunlight, using that energy, is oxidative phosphorylation, where we take those molecules and break them down, generating high-energy electrons. This is an energy-efficient process that takes place in the mitochondria of our cells, the powerhouse energy machinery of our cells. As these electrons pass along from one molecule or molecular complex to another, they release energy incrementally, but occasionally they escape. The goal of this passing of electrons is to transform this electrical potential energy into a chemical energy of the ATP. ATP molecules is a common currency of biological energy. But in the process of photosynthesis and oxidative phosphorylation, these high-energy electrons can escape the complexes of proteins, so plants include pathways to produce antioxidants that protect their cells from high-energy electrons, and we consume the plants rich in antioxidants that protect our cells from high-energy electrons from oxidative phosphorylation. So antioxidants have the ability to trap these high-energy electrons if the high-energy electrons are out of the environment of oxidative phosphorylation, if they've escaped. Antioxidants need to be able to supply their role of trapping electrons in many different microenvironments within our biology. One of these major environmental structures are the fat-soluble membranes. So some antioxidants need to be comfortable to be soluble in the fat-soluble membranes, to have affinity of their molecular structure for fat-like molecules. These are termed fat-soluble antioxidants. But think about the lipoproteins that carry triglycerides and cholesterol through your body to deliver energy. These lipoproteins also deliver maintenance molecules to cells as well as energy. A substantial portion of these maintenance molecules are going to be fat-soluble antioxidants, including some fat-soluble vitamins that have antioxidant benefits. So there's also need for antioxidants to travel in blood, the water-soluble antioxidants. We need both lipid-soluble and water-soluble antioxidants. What are some favorite antioxidants? The tocopherols and tocotrienols are the family of vitamin E, but not DL-alpha tocopherol. This is clearly not my favorite antioxidant because it is synthetic, it is not a biological molecule, and some of the interpreted harm of vitamin E is because people have included the synthetic form in vitamin E studies. Second is alpha lipoic acid, which is not truly an antioxidant but functions to impart an antioxidant effect. Vitamin C or ascorbic acid, or the modified ester of this. A vast assortment of molecules created by many biochemical pathways function as antioxidants. Dyes by their photochemistry usually accept high-energy electrons, and this structure is particularly beneficial, therefore they become very good antioxidants. The uniqueness of some antioxidants is determined by the part of their molecular structure that allows them access to specific biochemical environments, adjacent to specific proteins or complexes, for instance. So we ingest a wide variety of antioxidants, and some of them have relative specific roles, but they share their antioxidant benefit, and they actually can exchange their antioxidant benefit and rejuvenate each other. So fundamentally, antioxidants can donate electrons as well as take them. When radiation energy hits antioxidant molecules, the antioxidants have the potential to donate electrons rather than accept them. So because they harbor such an immense system of distributed electron density, an electron cloud, they're able to do this. So people undergoing radiation therapy should consider this and get some specific advice about their use of antioxidants. The point that antioxidants can rejuvenate each other is very fundamental, because some antioxidants work better in their own microenvironment but can interact with other antioxidants and pass off the electrons. It can rejuvenate that specific antioxidant that has to be used in an environment, for instance. So there is a balance between antioxidants. We don't need all the antioxidants made. We need ones that fit different environments, sort of a recipe or amalgam, an assortment to fit different needs. Oxidation is used in cell and tissue housekeeping and against invaders. For tissue to stay healthy, damaged cells must be able to be recycled, to undergo cell death and be recycled. This entails using some oxidizing molecules that need not to be interfered with by antioxidants. Nature generally provides compartmentalization of space and time to be efficient at this. The immune system utilizes oxidative processes to destroy invading viruses, bacteria, and organisms. This raises the question as to, is there an optimal level of antioxidants, or is more better? Clearly, some vitamins are potentially damaging in excess. For instance, vitamin A, riboflavin, pantothic acid, biotin are all suspect to cause DNA damage in excess. We would think maybe some antioxidants have the same problem. Since balance of diet evolved without significant amounts of sugar, starch, sodium, and refined oils, maintaining a diet high in these will demand a different amount of antioxidants. It is possible, for instance, that vitamin C, if a person is not eating starch and sugar, does not cause any particular benefit as a supplement if one's getting ample vegetables, nuts, meat that has high antioxidant value. Individuals with inherited elevated triglyceride levels, familial hypertriglyceridemia, benefit from taking vitamin E, the natural type, with every meal for a total of maybe 400 or 800 international units a day. In conclusion, photosynthesis demands an abundance of antioxidants to proceed. Plants make antioxidants, we eat those plants. Since our biochemistry is infinitely complex and the landscape of chemical pathways varies greatly in detail, a large pool of antioxidants have adapted to your cell needs. The ability to accept high energy electrons that can be oxidized and spare other molecules from the reactivity of electrons is shared amongst antioxidants. Therefore, one antioxidant can to some degree rejuvenate another antioxidant. Some are more specific about this than others. Vitamin E is a ubiquitous fat-soluble antioxidant. The natural form, mixed tocopherols and tocotrienols, are biochemically different from the synthetic L-alpha tocopherol or LD mixture. Vitamin C is ubiquitous water-soluble antioxidant, and brightly colored fruits and vegetables are high in antioxidants. I hope this has served to dispel some of the confusion about antioxidants. They are a landscape of molecules conforming with our infinitely complex biochemical needs. Thank you. Mark Lorenzato, MD, from VideoHealthGuide.com.